Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am here. I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste your time. Right about now, I just want to talk about our country, Zimbabwe. I am very, very, very disappointed at this moment. We were promised so many things by that old man there. That same old man that removed the other old man. I don't want to talk about names right about now. You see, now I'm changing accent. I am afraid of police. I stay here in Botswana. I am being chased by police. Every Zimbabwean here is being chased by police because of our country. People, when they look at us, they think that we are dirty, we are thieves. But as we are many, so it's a problem, you know. We are being abandoned to other people, you know. It's a problem to carry this passport. I'm sorry to say, do you see this passport? It is a problem to carry this passport in Botswana. It's like you have killed somebody. It's like you are not a human being. I don't understand. So please, you people there please tell your president we want to come back home. We want to come back home. We want to get married to our brothers there in his. We don't look. I'm changing accent. I'm changing this accent so that they can think that maybe I'm a Zambian. They don't chase after me. You go to cell there. You stay in the cell. You stay in the cell for 2-3 weeks before they deport you to your country. And people. And I heard that you told that old man has told the president here, has told him that every time you find Zimbabweans, just take them and bring them back home there. Bring us for what? Bring us for what? We don't want to come back home. We come back for what? We come and eat cholera. Yeah? We come and eat what? So that you can shoot us there in the town. Aiwa. And